It's time to give birth to perfectly formed, tiny sharks. This pup will never see Mom again. His new home will be deep amongst the mangroves. The mesh of underwater roots keeps larger predators out. So, it's the safest place in the whole Caribbean for a young lemon shark to grow up. Although it's full of fish, newborn sharks aren't very good at catching them. And practice. And practice. He's definitely going to need help. It's a kind of shark school where he can hone his technique as he grows up. The older sharks have learned it's best to hunt amongst the mangrove roots. And over time, the young pup eventually catches on. Got one. He's graduated